Christmas came early this morning. I got a new piece of jewelry from Josh, my hubby, and he surprised me with a necklace. And hello there. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, happy Hanukkah. Ooh, Hanukkah's over. Rest in peace. I feel bad for the folks out there. They don't know what this is. They're like, yeah, great job, Bobby. This is already made. This is already, what are you gonna do? So a lot of you have commented on my beautiful gingerbread house that I have. And everyone goes, you're so talented. Can't believe you made that. And I'm like,
no, that would be from Solvang Bakery. I did not make that.
and they do a good job. That's 2 years old. Ask how we stored it. Forever my secret. When I was a kid, my teachers taught me how to make a gingerbread house, and part of our homework was to go get milk cartons, they said, that were in the recycling. Ew. And a piece of cardboard we had to cut out and then wrap it in foil.
Wait a minute, you said that's not sanitary, but are you actually supposed to eat the gingerbread house?
Well, just go into the recycling bins and get like old milk cartons. As a kid, you're like, okay. Dumpster diver. You've seen them all, right? You've seen all these like gingerbread house kits for the past probably decade, where you go to Ralph's or Safeway or Pavilions, and everything's already built basically, so you just... Here to tell you, no, that's not a gingerbread house, okay? So I have my milk cartons, and I tape them together, so that's the first thing you're gonna wanna do. Got my cardboard out this morning, cut it out, so we have a lot of Amazon packages here. Now, move the kids out. Move them out, because you're gonna need something to get through the gingerbread house making process with your kids on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. It's gonna keep them busy. So let me move what I consider to be heaven out of the way. Excuse me. This is gonna be a yummy martini. It's an amazing drink. It's your like milk of choice. You can do real milk, half and half, but half and half I think tastes best. This is gonna be vodka di Serrano. Fill this up with ice. My friend Brandon, who I've known for a very long time, knows my obsession with Christmas and Home Alone, right? So they order pizza from Little Nero's. The place does not exist. It's not a real pizza place.
Who is it?
It's Little Nero's, sir. I have your pizza.
What does that say, Jason?
Happy holidays.
You filthy animal. And a cheese pizza just for me.
A lovely cheese pizza just for me.
Did you die? Did you just die from how gay this is and amazing? Okay, here's the drink. You're gonna do some vodka. You're gonna do two ounces, 1.5 ounces of your Di Serrano, 1.5 ounces of your Baileys. Then you're gonna take your half and half, 2.5 ounces. Okay, shake it up. Perfect. Then you're gonna take your chocolate of choice. All right, so you take your martini glass. See?
Oh, look at that technique.
Look at that. Oh, ooh. Now you take your candy cane peppermint snow. Okay. And because if you're someone like me who idolizes the snow, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever you're celebrating. Hope it's in good health. Your mama put her foot in it. Joshua! Want to try this cocktail I made up on my own? Sit up so you don't spill on yourself. You're gonna like it.
I like that, it's good.
Too sweet for you?
Strong.
Ooh. Too strong? Well, damn, we didn't build a gingerbread house yet? Okay, now you can bring the kids back in, since I showed you how to make that fabulous drink. We've explained all of this in round 1. This is round 2. So you take your frosting. It has to be vanilla, because I don't know what kind of snow you like, all right? No brown snow, no yellow snow. This is the fun part for the kids. This is what you do. You're creating your blanket of snow. Look at my snowstorm. Look at that. All right, here we go. This is our wood for our gingerbread cabin. This is how we're building our cabin in the snow. And you should be able to just put your stucco on, you know, your foundation, your insulation. You got to keep your gingerbread nice and warm. You stick it on like that. I know. Some people right now are going, oh my God, I remember that in kindergarten. I remember that in first grade. Now I got to do my water testing. Now I got to do my water insulation. So you get some more. I'm going to do our waterproofing on our foundation. So there you go. Now, got to build the roof. Okay, would be that. Perfect. There we go. People are like, looks like it's gonna collapse. It's a gingerbread house. It's covered in snow, it's covered in candy. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna take this off. I just had to make sure I had the right pieces. And you frost both sides, right? So you put it here, on the inside, you take them all down. So that's our next step. I would usually be eating this frosting right now. Start eating the candy, get like a little sugar rush. There we go. Secure it in the middle. Secure the bag. Perfection. So you just can take your finger still and you just kind of put it on the edges. For the most part, the hard part's done. Clean your knife off a little bit. Look at the snow in Chicago. Just gorgeous. Okay. Woo. As you go along, you will perfect it. Can you imagine someone's like that?
That's the house?
So now we decorate. This can be the quickest part of it, or you can spend your whole life doing it. It depends on how artistic you are, how crazy you are, if you want to go with a theme. I never, ever go with a theme. So as I'm looking at this stuff, I'm like, okay, I want these cute little things. Door, I think it's gonna be that big. Okay, I like that. The roof, yeah. This is your pop of color. Okay, and now we're gonna take our little dots. I think I wanna use these for the top of the house. So there's my awnings. Take my sour little cherries. Lovely. Lovely, gorgeous. Now you take your red vines. I think there should be a deer out front, so we're gonna put him there. This family's playing, that's Santa.
Those are toys in his bag.
Shh, it's a family.
I want it to have some Elf, you know Elf the movie? I want to have some of its snow. Okay, so far so good. It snowed, so. All right, so that's the front, and then you can do the back side. And you don't have to do the same thing, which I'm not going, well, should I? No, I don't want to. I kind of want to do something different. I always like to do a little candy cane action. Do a cinnamon bear. Okay, little Christmas wreaths. Gummy bears are going to guard this gingerbread house. And we're done!
No, not that one.
This one. Ta-da! Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Come on. Here comes Miss America. She's an American beauty. Come on now. Come on. Well, Jason, that's it. It's finished. This is the work of art. This is gonna be in the Architectural Digest of gingerbread houses. So I hope you enjoyed all of the stuff we brought to you this month. And if you try it, make sure to send me a picture, tag me in it. I will share it. Ebook. It's already out. It's already out. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah for that ebook. Also, if you do those recipes, same thing, tag me, send me the pictures. Please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and have a lot of fun and a Merry Christmas. Mwah. Love you all mucho. That's it. So what do you do when your favorite thing to do is ice skate in New York City, Christmas time, Rockefeller Center? You surprise your closest friends and your husband, more importantly, with an ice skating rink. An ice skating rink. So the best I can do for the holidays is to surprise everybody with a little ice skating rink in the backyard. It may be small, but it's gonna be made for like a lot of fun, a lot of girls getting hurt, a lot of America's Most Funniest videos, a lot of bloopers, a lot of everything. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. Hope you guys laugh. Bye.